So this becomes the base of our sauce. That's one of the reasons I love Caesar salad, is it's based with mayonnaise. So we're gonna add a little garlic, because all Caesar needs some good garlic in there. And then we have a bunch of different acids. We have some lemon juice here. Okay. Which I love this sauce because it's so fatty. I feel like it needs to be balanced with quite a lot of acid.
And Worcestershire,
so, yeah, let's add. You can add some of that. Here's some vinegar.
A splash of
There's like no such thing as too much Parmesan, so we'll start with. Yeah, we'll start with that. So we basically added a little bit of everything. In fact, I put let's put all them. I have no such thing as too much anchovy. So
anchovy is a natural salt.
I'm just gonna finish it with a little pinch of salt. And dress it with my hands, which is my favorite tools. You want to throw some croutons in there for me?
My mom always said the two most useful tools in the kitchen are attached to your arms.
Totally.
I love you so much.